First, let's clean the screen with a cleaning wipe to make sure we remove all of the dust, debris, and fingerprints. Then allow it to air dry or use the microfiber cloth to dry it. Now, let's open the vial's cap and drip a few drops onto the screen. Open the dry wipe and use it to rub the coating onto the glass in a circular motion. Make sure all edges are also covered. Allow the screen to cure for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. As the liquid glass dries, a white residue may become visible. After 10 minutes, use the microfiber cloth supplied to clean and buff out any excess residues from the screen and to give it an excellent shine. Your screen is now protected with liquid glass. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.